Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. Wanted to make a video here. I think in general my eyes have been on Dogecoin for the last couple of days. Yesterday we also got some nice momentum coming in here and there. It's still, if you take a look at the general situation for Dogecoin, it's not 100% bullish. But the structure on the lower time frames, I certainly think is bullish, and I also do think that there's potential for a bigger move up into stronger resistance levels, and then we're talking about this resistance level mainly at around 12 cents, 11.6 cents. So yeah, just wanted to give you my thoughts. I think on the 4-hour time frame, like I said, we have formed some sort of an uptrend here, especially after, even though it looks like that might turn into a fake out. But especially after breaking this level right here. So what you saw yesterday is that we actually got some nice momentum coming in, right? So this was yesterday over the course of the day. You actually saw some positions being opened, and then some major long positions being opened towards the end of the day. And now those positions, most of them still seem to be open. Some of them have been closed. Open interest went down a little bit here. But a lot of them are still open, and technically, if you look at this 4-hour time frame, we're still holding the breakout. I think it's going to be crucial how we react to this level right here, because it's quite obvious. Also, if you zoom out, it's quite obvious that Dogecoin is being bid at certain places. So every time you look at the CVD, that's the blue line here. So that's the volume, right? Positive volume coming in, buys coming in. Every time you look at that, it's around these levels still, or around like 10.4 cents. There you got some big buys coming in around 10.5 cents, which is only, what is it, maybe a percentage below the current price. And then some buys coming in again here. So some party is accumulating Dogecoin here. I think in general, looking at the markets are quite strong. I mean, short term, it's a Sunday, a new week is starting. So obviously volatility is to be expected, but I think the overall structure is turning more bullish for Bitcoin and therefore also for altcoins. So therefore, I think it's interesting, to say the least, what this will or what this group is doing. And Dogecoin is also gaining a bit more mind share on the socials, I hear. So I would say it's most likely that we will see a continuation here. Now, like I said, when we're talking about the short term, so when we're talking about the next 24 hours, a lot can happen. There's a lot of liquidity around the price for Bitcoin, so there's a huge incentive for Bitcoin to spike either way, right? So volatility is to be expected. But when we look at the broader trend, and when I look at this level right here between 10.4 and 10.2, I think the strength of the support level for Dogecoin, in combination with the bidding and the buying we have seen in the last week, let's say, I think that is strong enough to actually hold up this level. And then from this level, if we're able to hold that, and you expect bullish momentum to come eventually from the markets, then I would also say it's most likely that we'll be able to get into that level around 12 cents. So those are my expectations for now. Now, short term, like I said, I'm not too bullish on Dogecoin. I think some of the long positions opened yesterday are still going to close. And something else, if we look at Dogecoin against Bitcoin, which is a very ugly chart, as you can see, that's also not bullish yet. All right, so we are still very dependent on Bitcoin, but I do think, looking at Bitcoin, looking at the market, that we can expect some sort of bullish continuation eventually. But those are my thoughts on Dogecoin for now. I think in general it's an interesting crypto to keep your eyes on. Should you buy it right now? Probably not. All right, as kind of a final verdict. But those are my thoughts on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.